Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word tricked. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He thought he was getting a great deal, but he soon realized he had been tricked into buying a fake watch. Tricked means to deceive or mislead someone through cunning or deceitful means, making them believe something that is not true or misleading them intentionally. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.